DJM
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Lauru Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Chai. You see, now person will go fetch firewood where ant there. Now invite lizard for party for your house. In fact, you just go carry canopy, keep. Say make lizard come do party for your house. Yeah, Excellency, you started well, oh. You started well. The youth they praise you. You youth praise you because you stand gidigba, to support the peaceful protest. But I don't know the person will come send you. I don't know the person will come advise you. Can't give you this kind of wrong advice. Say make you go send army to come scatter the peaceful protest. Not be only to scatter, to kill. You see how the thing don't reach. You see how the thing don't escalate reach. You see, we'd advise you, make you tell that person to where advise you. So make you go call army, then make they go scatter. Make they go scatter the protesters. Tell them, say, make they advise you again to ask the army to go back again to their barracks. Or you send them to Sambisa Forest. Or you send them to all this where they kill all innocent souls waiting for northern areas, inside bush, and inside our own bush. You be young man, oh. Your children too still they young, oh. Make you remember, say, the coffee where you put yesterday. The coffee where you put yesterday, some parents are still locked in their offices. Some parents, they still stranded for other people, their houses. Some people, even they under bridge where they hide because the coffee started 4 o'clock and some of them never come back to work. Hey, God. Your Excellency. Good advice, not because, oh. If you know the kind of way you go fit do now, make you do them now before this thing touch heaven. Because this fight where you say, not be you to the fight them. Now God. Now God, now in the fight them. And when God start fight, they know they stop them. No matter how you be, no matter how your power. Because now be the person where they give power. As I'd advise you now, make you tell those army people and the police, they make them go back to their various points them. Make them go back to Sambisa Forest, go they fight. Make them go fight all the Boko Haram. Make them go fight all the herdsmen, the way they disturb this country. Fight even the government where the peaceful protesters, they try to protect, to talk to. Make them go fight them because now the way they kill us. The thing don't enter to burning down, no? By the time you know it, it will become gun to gun. By the time you know it, it will become war. And when it starts, hey, as me and you there, that's what we do. Even if you run, what of grandmama them? What of your sisters them? What of your uncle them? What of your cousin them? What of your auntie them? Remember, say our children were there for hostels, still there for hostel. Some of them there for their dormitory room. Some of them there for their guest houses, go stay. Remember, anything you want to do now, you still get more time to do it. Because I know, say, God will give you the wisdom to even call off whatever you have done. As they think of that one, my fellow youth, them, God will bless you now. And for those of them who die for this cause, God in heaven must repay people them who cause their death in the name of Jesus Christ. End SARS, ends bad governance, and police brutality, and bad leadership, and corruption, and mago. Leo Jehovah, manamu.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.